Here we have a bloke on a scooter in a very dodgy parking spot. There goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 infinity cyclists. It's like a destination fucked super combo. Buy one ticket, get a dozen free for your mates. This fella is looking to get in touch with his ancient hunter-gatherer skills. He grabs the piglet, but out comes Big Mama and she is pissed. She's like, I am sending your dinner to destination fucked, mate. You're having a bloody salad tonight. These two guys are having a good old-fashioned running race, but there's a fall at the 800 and his mate gets the win. Look at that descent towards destination fucked. He doesn't give a shit. He's got a little smile on his face. He knows he's won. Oh, he's having a great time in his boat. He loves his boat. He spends all his money on his boat. Why not drive it to destination fucked? Good idea. It is important to have safety equipment when travelling to destination fucked. See, he'll be okay.